Hi, welcome to my beginner series. This is me cooking seafood broil for the first time. Nothing fancy, just me trying my hands on something new today. Today's family day and I decided to make seafood broil for the first time. So come with me and see how this turns out. Okay, so we're adding the lemons. I'm not sure how this works, but I watched a number of YouTube videos cutting the garlic. This garlic into two. Just adding everything. Adding bay leaf. Okay, so I'm adding Cajun, some flavor. Don't mind how this is going. I'm doing this for the first time, so let's hopefully it turns out well. Okay, so I got this Old Bay from Amazon. Amazon now does overnight shipping, so that's nice. Okay, no measurement, just trying out something the African way. We don't measure. So I'm adding chicken broth mix and I want to see how this turns out. So in Nigeria we have something called pepper soup. So I'm adding some pepper soup spice. It has a lot of spices mixed together. Let's see how this turns out. I'll add some salt. To taste. Add some sea salt. Hopefully it tastes really nice. Am I missing something? Coming out. I think I need to add some more Old Bay seasoning just to give it that seafood taste. Let's cover it a bit because we love our food hot. I'm adding some grounded habanero peppers and let's see how hot this is. So this is going to take it to medium level hot. We'll see. Ooh, it's not hot enough. I'm going to add some more. Okay, so I'm going to add my potatoes washed.
A few moments later.
So this is 20 minutes later. It's boiling. We're gonna add our sweet corn. So I realized that the pot I'm using is too small, so I changed it to this bigger size, and I'm just gonna turn everything over. Forgot to add onions. You see, as a first timer, it doesn't have to be perfect. Literally just remembered, oh, I didn't add onions, so I'm just doing that quickly. Okay. Okay. 10 minutes later, I'm putting the lobster tail. I'm adding, it's already cleaned with the tail on. Ooh, I'm excited. I would add, this is cooked, the snow crab is cooked, so that'll be the last thing I'll add to this. I'll just leave it to the side and I'll cover it to steam up together. It's looking yummy.
A few moments later.
So we're adding the snow crab. That's going to be the last thing we're adding. This is cooked already, so just wait to absorb the juiciness of this. So yes. This is yummy already. See the tail all curled up? Nice. So we're gonna make the sauce, but I don't have butter, so I'm using margarine. Let's see. Hope this turns out. Well, I have no specific measurements. Let's see. And I didn't forget onions this time, so that's a good thing. I'm adding my garlic, and some onion. And this is the sauce that goes on the boil. I hope my butter is not too much. This is just dried pepper because my family will like it hot, so I always like to add pepper. And then this is the Old Bay seasoning. I'm not measuring, just using my mother's instinct. This is Cajun. What else am I missing? Let me know in the comment section if I'm missing any ingredient that I haven't added. Okay, yes, I need to add some chicken broth mix. Taste. So again, I'm just adding. I'm going to add some water. I see some people add water to this, so I'm going to do the same. Add some water. Okay, let's see. What am I missing? Let me know in the comment section if I'm missing any ingredient. Thank you. So we're ready. The sauce is ready and broil is also ready. So I want to layer everything in here to serve. I'm reserving this for extra, and then the remaining I'm just going to pour it on here to layer it. Okay, so our seafood broil is ready, and I can't wait for my family to taste this. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what food you be trying out for the first time. And let me know if I missed any ingredient, where I can improve. If you've made seafood broth in the past, drop your recipe in the comment section. And also I will be dropping some more beginner moment video on this channel. So make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for joining me today.